Match question. Unlimited resource is a hypothetical situation and it matches with exponential growth. B1 is only in option number 3. First one, keep this in mind that in nature the resources are not unlimited. Exponential growth is not possible in reality. Logistic growth, on the other hand, is represented by this parameter which is called nature's carrying capacity. So we have enough resources in a given habitat which can support maximum growth, and beyond that the growth plateaus. It doesn't grow any further. So see, this is realistic growth. It increases because there are enough resources, but then after that, when the resources starts depleting, the growth also becomes stationary. This is called asymptote. And this growth curve is called Verhulst-Pearl logistic growth, or you can simply call it logistic growth. This is S-shaped, represented by this formula. On the other hand, we have this growth which is J-shaped. This is called exponential growth. It keeps on increasing, represented by this equation, and the same equation can be represented in integral form this way. These are few numbers related to intrinsic rate of natural increase. For human population, R value is 0.0205. The current value of R for human population is 0.0196. So how do you calculate R? You just need two values, B and D. If birth rate is given 20 individuals per 1000 and death rate is 5 individuals per 1000, birth rate will be 20 divided by 1000, death rate will be 5 divided by 1000, and all you have to do is subtract death rate from birth rate. So this gives you R value. Now coming to age pyramid. So it looks something like this. There are 3 different levels. This is pre-reproductive age, this is reproductive age, and this is post-reproductive age. So if a lot of children are being born, the pre-reproductive age will be broader and such population is expanding. In stable population, pre-reproductive and reproductive, they both match, okay, they are almost the same. And in declining, pre-reproductive age is less than reproductive age.